Welcome to today's video. As we all know, in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how you can easily create this beautiful birthday flyer using baby Pixellab application with your smartphone. So welcome to the channel. If you are new, make sure you do subscribe so you can see this beautiful birthday flyer is from Pixellab. All the resources on the layer, so you see. So let's get to start afresh. So make sure that you click on a link in the description of this video so that you can download all these pictures, all these elements or that I use for the design. Open a new project and then let's get to start. All right, so the first thing we are not going to be wasting time on this design, trust me. Head on to your 3 dots, image size, set this to 1500. We're not going to be wasting any time. Set this to 1800. Click OK. We have this. Take out this text box sharp. Alright, so click on plus sign, click on from gallery. Let's bring in our background. Use this. So we're gonna be using this background, and wow, this is beautiful. So scale this, as we all know, but once you finish, lock it up so that you're not gonna destroy the position. Plus sign again. Let's bring in the image. So let's find our image. All right, this is it. All right, so beautiful. Wow, interesting. Let's scale it, increase it like this, bring it here. All right, this is cool. Just drop it somewhere here. Cool. All right, so yeah, we have this. Now we can shift it a little bit here, and then let's lock it up. Plus sign again, the next image. All right, so this is the next image. So we have this as our next image. So tick here, and then just take this, place somewhere here. Now let's flip it. So flip it, come here, click on your crop, flip it like this. All right, now we will just take this and try to reduce the size a little bit, and then just place it somewhere here like this. Now we're gonna take it to the back because we can't just leave it there. So take it here and then move this one to the back like this. Yeah. So you can lock that up. Yeah, you can lock that up, and then click on this one, unlock it. Let's move it a little bit. Right, let's scale it again. We need to make that guy the big mama, so we just drop it somewhere here like this. Yeah, we got this. All right, now let's lock those guys up. We click on your plus sign again. So let's let's bring in another image. Yeah, this design is so fast. So click on from gallery, another image. Okay, so yeah, this is the image. So we'll just scale this, and we can bring it somewhere here like this. This is cool, so you can just drop it here. Beautiful. Yes, we can reduce the size a little bit. All right, let's just place it there. Yeah, good. Yeah, we got this right. All right, so we go back and then lock it up. So yes, we are almost done. So click on your plus sign again, from gallery again. Let's bring in the same picture that we brought in. That was the first one. Yeah, we have this. Beautiful. Just make it small, and then just place it somewhere here like this. We don't get to see that, but we'll get to see it. So just place it there. Okay, and lock it up. We have already set the positioning of our picture, how we want it to look like. So the next thing we're going to be doing that you can click on plus sign, and then bring in shape. So we're going to be doing something by fading the bottom part of the design so that we can get to blur it and make it blend. So you can just increase this like this, and then just drop it somewhere here. Yeah, just drop it somewhere here. Now move up and click on gradient. So gradient is what we are clicking, and then you click the plus sign. Now come to this one, click here. Yes, just move this here and then move this to the end. That's good. Tick here, and as simple as that, we are good. Alright, so we have this. Now tick here and then move to where you have what we call texture. Now click here and then bring in the background that you are using for the design. That's the background that we already bring in, which is this background over here. I'm gonna be bringing it inside the shape for me to show you what is gonna happen right now. So bring in the background. Okay, so now once you bring in this background, make sure you crop it a little bit like this. Okay, we tick here, and then we have this. So just take this here, scale it till you have this. Just place it somewhere here. Yeah, we got this. Just place it somewhere here like this. All right, let's try reducing that a little bit more. Okay, all right, so place it here and then boom, that's good. So now you see that everything is blending, but it's affecting this picture and it's affecting this one. So simply to do that, come here now, move this to here. Yeah, so move this to here. Now these two pictures are coming forward, so you see they are in front and then the other guys at the back. So we still have to do something. I think, yeah, this one picture was this one. Okay, so let's just lock it up and then unlock this one so that we can move it to see this as shoe shining at the bottom part there. Okay, that's beautiful. And if possible, this thing we can just shift it up a little bit. Yes, all right, that's good. Lock it back again. Let's see if everything is on place. So everything is well placed. How about the scaling? The scaling is good. Okay, and let's move on. All right, so click on plus sign. We're going to be bringing in the happy birthday text here, or we are going to be bringing in some elements here, anyone. So let's start with some elements here before we finish this part. So plus sign, click here and make sure you subscribe. All right, so let's get to find what we need now. Okay, so this is it. So we have this now. Tick here and you just scale it a little bit, yeah, just keep it somewhere here. So cool and simple. Just place it there and then move to your opacity. Yes, the man of the man, opacity. So you reduce it a little bit. Yeah, so you got something like that, and that's nice. So you just tick here. So come back here and then copy this, just take it here, place it here. So once you place it there, I think you can reduce the size and then just set it there. Once you finish setting it there, I believe you can take this to the back. Yeah, to the back of that picture, which is this. Yeah, so that's good. We have that. What else do we need is that let's reduce this guy. It's looking like it's too big. All right, so let's lock it up. Remember, lock this up so we don't get to touch it anyhow or shift it anyhow. So now we are going to be adding a text at the back of this background. So I already have a text which I had copied and is on my clipboard. So all I need to do is to click on my plus sign to bring in this text, and then I move to where I have an A, and then I click on edit. So all I will need, I'll just delete this one and then come to my clipboard, as we all know, and then shift and then find in where I have that text written. So this is the text. All right, so if this is the text, it means that I want to make it plenty, so I can either highlight it, then copy it, as we all know, and then come here. I can either move down to the next line and I paste it. I come here, I'll move line to the next line, and I'll still do the same thing as pasting. I still keep pasting, keep pasting, and then that's good. So when you are finished pasting, you can scroll up and then click OK. Is it plenty? Because me, I want it plenty. So let's click OK and let's see what we have. So if we have this, it means it is plenty enough. So we can reduce the size. Yes, we can reduce the size very well. Oh no, where is it? Oh, come on. Reduce the size a little bit. Yes, reduce the size. Reduce the size. Reduce the size. Oh, that guy was so plenty. I love that. So reduce the size and then drag this side like this. Let it arrange very well. Okay. Yes, so that when I increase this, I'll get to have something looking good like this. Okay, so I just have this and then I'll keep it here. Now move to my layer and take this down as before the background. I have something like this. So if I place this here, it means that I'm going to reduce the opacity. So I move to opacity, then reduce it a little bit. Yes, reduce it a little bit, and I can tick from here. So the guy is looking somehow. Let me just shape it, and I want to have something like this here, very small here. So I just place it here, then let it be there for now. So I can just click on this thing to copy it, which is this one. I'll just click on it after I've unlocked it, then copy it. Now take it to the center like this, place it, make sure I send it to the back. Make sure I send it to the back. Oh, make sure you send it to the back. Oh, make sure you move it to the back. Oh, make sure you send it to the back. Oh, make sure you reduce the opacity. Oh, make sure you reduce the opacity. Oh, alright. So click on opacity, shift it down. Alright, when you shift it down, we are all good. So we have that, we have those guys. So let's lock it up. Yeah, 1, 2, 3 are being locked. They are being locked and secured, so we don't have to move it. Now all we need to do is just to see if we can align this text. So click here, you can click here, and click on this one that is here, this one that is here. So if you click on it now, you can click here and then set to center alignment. Alright, so that's it, and then we are done. So what next is just something simple. It's not something that's taking time. So click on plus sign. Let's bring in our happy birthday. So here is it. So if you notice, it has a white background, but you can easily remove it using your erase color. So erase color, turn it on. You can, okay, it's already there. So yes, sorry, pick on eyedropper, shift to the white, tick here, and then increase the tolerance a little bit. Click here, move to color, turn on color, and then choose a color from our skin. So choose a color from our skin. You can click on your plus sign, you can click on this. Okay, let's choose from the background, which is this one. So click on that one. We can just shift and choose a color from here. So if you tick here and click OK, you get to have this. So if I reduce this, it means that I can place it somewhere here like this. You see how beautiful it is looking, how beautiful and nice that is looking. So just place it there. Yes, so once you finish placing it there, now all you need to do is just that you need to tick here, and then we can move to something like our not shadow. Okay, yeah, shadow. Turn this shadow on and then move. You can change the size to the same thing, like that is the color to the same color that you added there. Now reduce the blur size. Once you finish reducing the blur size, you can move to where we have offset widen, add some points so that it gets to move this thing down. Yeah, so just add some points like this. Yeah. So let's use 3. So you see that it has added some bluey something which you might not really see, but let me change the color so that you see it has added something. So just leave it with your color which you like best and it match with the design. So once you finish this, you can lock it up and then we are good. So the last thing we're going to be doing is that we're going to be bringing in some write-ups inside the text, like prosperity, happiness, this one, that one. I feel like this lady should come closer to this one small. So let's see what we can do with her. Let's use position. Yeah, I feel that was supposed to be her position anyway. Okay, so come back. Okay, now click on these shapes, Now reduce the shapes, reduce the shape, reduce the shape, not shapes, reduce the shape, and then move to your blur radius, increase it a little bit like this. Yeah, so increase it like this, and then reduce the shape, reduce it very tiny. Yeah, let's have that. You can increase the blur radius again. Alright, if you tick here, let's see what we have. So, oh sorry, you can move this somewhere here. Yes, you can move it somewhere there, and then you can position it using this. So let's see that. Okay, let's see that. All right, now take this, and what you need to do is that once you move it and keep it in a good position, just copy it and then take it out again from here. Oh no, sorry about that. Take it out here. Just place this one here like this. Yes, try and adjust it. Let it be to the same line. So let's just move this down a little bit. Okay, so we have something like this. So click on this one, move to color, fill it with the yellow color that was used here, the orange or the gold color that was used here. So fill it with this color and then tick here. We are good. Now you can select this one, you can fill it with the color that matches maybe the color of our skin. Turn this on, you click on plus sign, click on this one, pick the color of our skin, then click OK, click this, and you see we get to have these two things. So all we need to do is to go to our plus sign and then go to shapes, sorry, not shape, text. Go to plus sign, go to text, and then you have this. So go to here, go to edit. Let's just write favor. Oh yeah, we're gonna change the font, so let's go and change the font. Yes, so font is over here. So let me just search for this font, GOTH. Yeah, so that's the name of the font I'm gonna be using. So if I'm using medium, and I tick okay. So I reduce this like this. Just take it and place it in the center of this shape. Yeah, you can click here to zoom. Alright, let's edit it. Shape it small. Yeah, so that's good. We have this, and then we can copy. We can still copy it and put it in the other one. So let's come out from here. Let's copy it. Alright, just take it out from here. Let's place it in another one. Come out, enter here. Alright, so change this to love. So capital letter, tick here, then just move it. Yeah, so let's move it. Then yeah, so for this favor, we'll change the color. For this favor, we'll change the color. Yeah, we'll change the color to something brownish, like what you use on that, what you pick that time. Yeah, but that one is not deep, so let's go make something deep. Something more deep. Let's pick from our skin instead. Yeah. Yes, so you have this. Yeah, I think this thing is dulling. What you added at the back is dulling. I think that's why. Color that we added to the shape is dull. That's why it's not projecting that particular color. So let's change that to something vibrant. Yeah, let's just work with that. And I think we need to copy it, place it here. Yeah, just copy it, place it here. Now once you place it here, all you need to do is to go here and change it to left alignment, sorry, right alignment like this. Tick here, just leave it here. Now you can move it to the back. Yeah, let it pass that element. So that is good. Now move to opacity. Can increase the opacity a little bit to make it come out. Okay, now the last thing is that we still have to copy that text. Now we have to edit it and then use only one wish, one paragraph of the wish. Yeah, so just use one paragraph. Alright, now tick here. You can make it small letter by clicking here, then maybe only this one. Yeah, so click here. You get to have this. You can increase it, take it here like this, place it here. Remember, it was on left alignment, so we can easily change it to what alignment that we want. So guys, the birthday design is done, and this is how I designed this beautiful birthday flyer using my Pixellab application. So make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification button so that anytime new videos is dropping, you can get to see the notification on your phone. So the last thing we are going to be doing is that we're going to be adding a name. So I can just click on this particular object, come here, copy it, and take this one, take it down a little bit like this, just rotate it here, and then reduce the size, just place it here, and then go over to where we have color. I'm looking for where we have color exactly. So edit, reduce the opacity, then increase only the stroke. The stroke needs to be something like this. Okay, now the color of the stroke width, you can use this color first. Now tick here, you see something like that. Now click on this, the same thing that you see there. Now you can increase more if you are not seeing very well what's inside. Now you can, after this, you copy it, take this one and place here, rotate it, and then you have something like this. Yeah, so you have something like this. You can simply write pretty good. So I'll just click on this love as here. I come here, I copy it, I just drag it down here, and then edit, put a name, put a letter, click OK, and I can rotate this. See why I like locking objects together so that they cannot move their position. Okay, so tick here, now rotate it like this. Now take it up, just place it somewhere there. Yeah, so you can increase the size a little bit, just place it there in the center. Alright, now click on it, copy again, bring it to this, rotate it from here. Alright, now just bring it here, and then go to edit, change it to your name. Click OK. So we get to have this. So I can decide to change this one color to gold color. Yeah. tick here and decide to change the outline that I added there. Yes, so I have that. Yeah, so we have that beautiful birthday flyer, simple as this, in your Pixellab application. So make sure you subscribe, share this video to your friends, and let's export our design and save it. So click on your plus sign, export, then yeah, click save to gallery. Sharply your design will be saved to gallery automatically. It means that once you go over to your gallery, you can always find where you have your design, which is saved to your gallery. So thank you guys for watching. If you like this video and if you have learned something, make sure you subscribe.